short little update video. This is the eBay long tubes with some 3-inch collectors into a 4-inch merge pipe and flex pipes. I built all that over the past couple weeks. I just wrapped them. The wrap may not stay, but I'm just trying it out just for some heat management. But I'm going to fire it up. I have not installed the 4-inch setup past this main pipe, so there's no muffler, but that will be the MagnaFlow muffler on a Mufflex 4-inch exhaust. So let's fire it up, just see how everything is going as of now. All right, got fuel pressure. Crank it over. Awesome. That's definitely a bonus, because when I fired this thing up with just the open headers, man, that was loud. The smoke is just the header wrap steaming. Might have been a little bit damp. I just done it this morning. I used the water method for pulling it to keep the fiberglass down, but once that clears a couple heat cycles, this stuff will be nice. And it's not the lowest part of the car, so I shouldn't scrape it. We have some points of the frame here. These subframe connectors are definitely lower on the outside, so I don't expect to drag the exhaust anywhere, but if there is a random pothole that kicks one side of the car down in such a fashion that, the exhaust would get scraped, I'll just get rid of the exhaust wrap. but I did want to try it since I already bought it, and hopefully it does something heat wise. But otherwise, the lines are all wrapped, stainless headers are in, got my trans lines in there, I built new ones there, starters in, everything's looking good. And I'm kind of glad that it was just a little bit quieter now, and that's even with no muffler. Because man, this sucker was loud when it was just those open headers. But anyway, short video, made me happy. We're in the home stretch. Simply run the rest of the Mufflex 4-inch system, hang some hangers, mount the muffler, figure out a hanger for that. If I have any leaks, Matt recommended this, but I got a couple different hangers here, and I might end up doing V-bands later on for the Mufflex stuff and the muffler, but for now, just to get up and running, Mufflex supplied these type band clamps, so we'll give those a whirl. Anyway, that's about it. Cool.